here's how much we actually spent in Pattaya for one day. Hi, my name is Tanya and I've been living in Thailand for quite some time now. This was my cousin's second day in Thailand. Since tapos na kami sa mga temples in Bangkok on day 1, time to go outside the city naman at mag-explore ng tourist spots sa Pattaya. Itinerary namin, galing kay Kuya Jesse na siya na ring driver / tour guide / photographer namin that day. First stop, Coffee War. Entrance fees 100 baht pero consumable. So basically, parang binili mo lang yung kape mo. Ang cool na vibe, parang nasa military base. Tapos pagpasok mo sa coffee shop, you can actually enjoy your coffee inside an airplane. Next stop, Khao Chi Chan. Free entrance kaya only photo ops and pahinga. Pero grabe ang init, kaya tip ko, go early in the morning para hindi patirik ang araw. Third is the Nong Nuch Tropical Garden. Hindi ito part ng plan pero sabi ni Kuya Jesse, worth it daw. Entrance fee namin was 547 baht through his contact, mas mura kaysa sa walk-in. Kasama na cultural show at elephant show, plus free trolley ride para makapag-ikot. We skipped the package with buffet lunch since busog pa from breakfast, pero may Bixi supermarket inside for snacks and souvenirs. At may food stalls din, just in case magutom kayo. Ang daming photo spots, promise sulit. Fourth stop, Sanctuary of Truth. Entrance fee is 450 baht. Actually, hindi ko na mabilang ilang beses na ako nakapunta dito, pero iba pa rin experience every time, lalo na dahil sa mga kasama ko. This time, classic na mga tita moves, may hindi natapos ang tour at meron na rin nagpapahin ng effervescent oil sa kasukasuan. And syempre, we ended the day with a relaxing foot massage. Total damage? Watch until the end of this video.